a long time I did vlog. I just wanted to say you guys should come with me today. Good morning. How was your night? Welcome to Mum&Genny YouTube channel. Oh, I'm so happy. Well, today I'm going for another visit for my baby. You know, when you have kids, you go to a lot of visits. Today I'll be bringing you guys along with me. Today is just visit for my last child. So I'm going to take you guys along. Please, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please share this video. Please comment. I need your engagement. Oh, I don't just want you to sit there and just looking at me. So how am I this morning? Well, I've already taken care of my hair this morning, so I'm just going to take care of my kids and take care of myself also. Okay, see you there. Dripping. It's time to go, and we are going now. Going to the car. Well, that's me looking all cute, guys. Yeah, we are looking all cute. That's my baby, guys. Okay. Again, guys, I don't make up. I didn't even use an earring because it's not like I'm going out today. I'm going to stress today outside. Stress with the kids. You can see the sun, right? So this is how it is with us. Going. Okay. It's time to go. Time to go, guys. Well, sorry guys, I was not able to do video because they didn't allow. So no, you have to take permission for you to be able to do some video at them, and you have to take permission from the daughters if you can be able to show them their face, you know. So they didn't allow it, and I have to respect them. I didn't do video where they was checking my son, like doing echography. So I just have to respect the law and respect what they want. Well, I'm in Fakunara right now. I came to buy some food stuff. I didn't do video also because why? I'm not able to hold like my camera and trying to get stuff, so it's very hard for me. So that's why. Now I'm going to Senegal, and maybe by then I'll show you guys what I got. See ya. Bye. That's what I bought today, guys. That's what I bought today. That's what I bought today. Okay. So I prefer putting my soup here and just place it here inside the fridge instead of me to tie it in cellophane or whatever, or put it inside the can. I don't like it because can don't conserve food very well. So that's why you see this, I bought it especially for inside the fridge, so you'll be seeing it here. So I'm going to just arrange the fridge, so bear with me, guys. This is for my child. I've opened it, and this is very good, and for kids always it's very good. This is like form of soup that is already cooked and is here with none, as you can see. It's non-ingredient, so it's very good. You just have to put it for pasta, anything the person wants to use. Is rice, just place it up top. And this soup is made up of potato, broccoli, onions, you know. You see the ingredients there, so it's very good. It's very good. This for my daughter. So this is crema mascarpone. This for Tota. Just the day I bake cake, so it remained this jar. I didn't use everything, so I just conserve it. So Those for ketchup, you know, those spice, we eat it a lot, so I'm going to keep it here because those we use it a lot. All these are ketchup, so we use it a lot. Whatever that is being used, half, we just keep it. This one is just almost so. But this is half, you know. Those for, like, you know, salad, anything, balsamico. Those for salad or anything that you want to eat. So just put it here. This is also ketchup, you know. Those half what do you call it, marmalata. This is half jam, like, you know, this orange jam, so it's for bread. We eat it half and keep it here. This is what this is honey, so based on, I place it inside the fridge so it make it look like this, but it's honey, guys. So I'm going to put it here, and this one is almost finished, so I'm just going to throw it away. This is orange. This guy, guys, this guy. So this is half tomatoes that I use. This tomatoes that I use, like, you know, I use it. So I'm going to just put it here. At the finish line, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So this is half butter that I use. I use butter a lot for jollof rice. Butter is so good, and for like toasting of bread, so I just use it. As for toasting of bread, cheese, those pasta folia, I bought it today. I'm going to use it. So the day I'll cook this, I'm going to put it up so that you guys will see how I make this pasta folia. But I'm going to be putting it, I think I should put it in freezer because I don't know where I got it, but I'm going to. So this hot dog, this is mozzarella, guys. I love mozzarella. This mozzarella is for pizza or anything. I just love to eat with mozzarella. Oh, yogurt. So I'm just going to arrange it for the kids. They love yogurt a lot. This is where I put my vegetable, guys. I've already put my salad. I'm just going to place my carrot like this. I don't open the carrot because it's more fresher like this, more okay. So I don't open it. I'll put some banana. So banana, guys. I'm going to open the banana. So just place it. Yes. Enough, guys, like this. Then I'm going to put this going to put it down. Wow, those high protein latte. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you. This one is also soya, see, and that's the other one, milk. So this is high protein. It's very good, it's very nourishing, like with calcium, you know. This paste is so good with pasta. I love it. I'm going to try it with my family if they will love it. I was eating it when I was single. I eat it a lot, so I love it. Those formaggio cheese, see, There's cheese, guys. Cheese is very good for pasta and for kids also. Cheers, guys. So this wine toast, I love this one because it's, you see, so you can see the strawberry. I bought berries. This one is for berries. I love the fragola taste, so I can't do with this wine. I can't do it. So I love it. And this one is for my husband. He's already opened it, so just keep it here. I'm going to show you guys. Look at it. I've already arranged it. You see. So my fridge is done, guys, so I'm going to just arrange the rest. So guys, this is hamburger. I'm going to be trying it for the first time. 36 is inside. The person that I bought this from said it's very good, so I'm going to be trying the meat for the first time. So let me just see how it is. So I love pasta cuisine a lot, and with spaghetti, so I got the latte milk. Those fresh milk, we call it latte, yeah. So those fresh milk. So if I'm saying latte, you guys will be wondering what's latte, what's this one saying? It's milk, fresh milk from the cow, fresh milk, not that already processed milk. Those fresh milk. Now those tomatoes, guys, you guys already know. So those tomatoes is garlic. I love garlic a lot. I can't do it garlic, like I love it in pasta. Like I use it for pasta a lot. It smells so good and it's very good. Guys, see these onions. These onions, guys. Onions. Carrots, guys. Milo and quick carrots. My child loves Milo and quick carrots. Oh, this is a bag of rice I bought today. I'm going to be keeping it, so guys, bear with me. I also bought Indomie. For my family, we can't do without Indomie. Plantain, guys, plantain. You can see. So I'm just going to tie it here because I won't be using it for now. It's plantain. Now this is the Nigeria blood. Anybody that know me know I love this bread a lot. This is my goal. And this is Cerelac for kids, guys. For 1 year. My 1 year baby do eat this a lot. A lot. So Cerelac, come and indulge your girl. We are through, guys. Thank you very much for coming along with me to arrange with me. I love you guys. Please subscribe more for more content, and please like and give it a thumbs up, and please comment. I love you so much.